What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We're here on my boy Nick's channel. Get ready to do some hood rat stuff. Stay tuned.
So like we're literally just sitting in a parking lot. Carter, Josh, what are we doing?
Dave was freaking sick.
It's been a whole vibe. So I totally just said screw it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, well, hold on, let's run it back. So if you haven't seen my latest vlog, the Subaru is blown up. Like, his is running. Mine runs, but it just makes weird noises in the way it shouldn't. So in this episode, we're gonna be doing some mods to AP's car. So yeah, AP's car. I don't know what he's doing, man. Shit. No, it seemed like you were doing something else. All right, I'm a little worried about you. But anyways, so he's got pretty much every bolt-on you can have besides the front of my intercooler. With the setup I'm gonna go with, I'm not gonna be able to use my intercooler anymore because it's gonna be set up completely different. He can still use it. So I'm gonna be taking my intercooler off my car, front mount, and then we're putting it on his car. So he should have waited, but he just went ahead and like, you know what, man? I'm patient. I'm very impatient. I'm gonna go ahead and start. So he's done made a mess. So I guess while he's doing that, I'm gonna take mine apart. Hey man, stop making all that noise down there. He said yes, ma'am. So the reason I'm taking mine off and I'm not gonna be able to use it due to I'm for sure gonna be doing like a rotated setup, which means the turbo is gonna be somewhere in this area and not gonna be in the stock location. So I figured, hey, he needs it, he's excited, I guess we'll just take it off. So got the sides off, yeet, got the clips off, kinda, we get in there. These things are always a pain. Always. Oh. Lost those forever. Rest in peace, R.I.P. You unplug the fog lights. Boom. Ugh. Man, you ready for that look? Why does that look so beefy? Oh my God.
A minute before I throw the bumper on.
Yeah, you're not gonna do that for a while. Ugh. That's just the, oh my God. So, all right. Obviously, just take a look, but I don't think you're ready. I honestly don't think you're ready. When I did this, what, 2 years ago, oh my God, it was over with. All right, I need to stop fooling around and start taking this thing off. I'm gonna miss you, little buddy. I'm sorry, but you're going to a good home. What? So I'm gonna take care of. You better. It's like giving one of my kids away. This thing looks disgusting. There's nothing on here now. AP?
What's up?
Man, I'm kind of bummed right now.
Don't be bummed, because we're gonna have bigger and better things coming for the Subi.
Why do you sound like a parent? I'm gonna go over here. You're kind of scaring me right now. Anyways, back to this. Back to making a mess in the showroom. But yeah, this thing looks so bare now. It kind of looks gross. Nothing. Already looks beefy. Like your feet. Anyways. like your feet. Come on, man. You taking too long. Why you wanted to say something? You wanted to say something negative.
Nah, I'm a positive person.
Okay, let's stop. Good. God, quit playing.
Nothing but positive vibes.
Whatever. Shannon, get him. He's like, nah, bro, I'm too chill. Whatever. Back to this. I already missed it because mine looks basic. Oh. So we had another intercooler at the shop. This is way more beefy than that one. My front bumper's already cut for that intercooler. So I was like, okay, it should clear or be kind of close. Put this bumper on, nowhere near it. I'd have to chop the living crap out of the inside of the bumper to make this fit, but I might end up doing it because I might end up running this intercooler. Just do custom piping. But looks pretty good. So as we're putting everything on, this man decides to break this off because he's He-Man over here. So now we got to drill that out. And what'd you say? What bit we needed?
We get a carbine drill bit, grind it down flat, drill it out, be back in again.
Yeah. Well, other than that, we're just gonna go ahead and put everything else on, and then come back first thing in the morning with that, and then we can drill that out. But we're gonna get everything else on real quick. Already looking sick. I'm super stoked for this. I'm excited like if this was my car. I don't know why. So when I did this, I forgot you had to remove that reservoir because that pipe itself won't go up in there because of clearance. That's doo-doo. All right, that was a bigger pain in the butt than I remember, but everything's pretty much done. All those are put on. This is put on. Everything's dirty, obviously, because of hands-on, but all those are tight. We got to fix this because
I eat my spinach like Popeye.
Shut up, stupid. Anyway, so obviously you can see it right there, what's broke off. We're gonna have to drill that out and tap it probably. But other than that, this thing looks gnarly. It looks pretty good. So we're gonna clean up and then come back in the morning.
Finished up for now. We'll get up early.
Get some breakfast.
Get some breakfast, get some grub. Go to the parts store, probably get some carbine drill bits. Little knick-knack stuff we need to finish it. And that's it.
Yeah, we're just gonna throw the bumper away because that's never going back on.
Nah, you don't even really need the front bumper.
I guess we're just gonna swing back into this tomorrow. Yeah, this thing kind of kicked our butt. Whatever, kind of is what it is, but we're gonna clean up and see you guys in the morning. So, welcome back, second day. AP's already kind of going in. Left off from yesterday. So I gotta get that bolt out right there. Gotta drill that out. Hopefully we don't mess the threads or nothing up. That way the threads and stuff are still there. But worst case scenario, if it is, we can rethread it or do a nut and a bolt, have a bolt on the bottom. So either way, this thing's about to be running in the next probably 30, 45 minutes. So let's get it. After 20 minutes of drilling that out, rethreaded, we retapped the hole. So that's back with new threads and new hardware. Now we're fixing this pipe to right here. Make sure that's tight and not hitting anything, and then this thing will be pretty good. Ready to go. All right, so we finished up, and we haven't cut his bumper yet, so to fit, which is down here, to cut that out. So we just snagged my bumper and just threw it on there. Whew. Man, what is going on here? You want to roll around like this for just today?
I don't care, really.
No, we need to take the bumper off. God, I wish I could drive my car right now. I'm here playing knock-knock jokes and stuff. Well, other than this, everything's done. Now I think we should just polish it up, which is probably what we should have did before. We can polish everything up and then just clean our mess up. We kind of skipped over a bunch of steps. So we went ahead. He wasn't going to run the bumper at all. He's going to leave it with the intercooler just up and in your face and just beautiful because it looks so freaking aggressive. And that's exactly how it was. But he's like, you know what? I brought the tool. Let's just go ahead and trim the bumper. So we trimmed the bumper to make it fit, and it just, oh my God. This thing looks so freaking sick. I'm stoked. Oh, just this, oh my God. Oh my God, it looks so freaking, oh. Sounds so good. I wish I could drive mine, but it's cool. Just gonna leave it here. I'm about to go cruise. I'm gonna take the coupe today. Just checking the fluids and stuff like that. I just let this car sit So getting everything out of the back, Mishimoto stuff and all that stuff I got for the G35. But make sure everything's topped off, and then we're gonna go cruise. Woo! It looks so good. Oh my God. Shoot, while I'm in the car, I might as well pull over and do a pull in the coupe while I'm in it. It don't get better than that. It does not get better than that. It's so freaking fun. Man, this thing is so freaking fun. Ugh. So, sorry this video was kind of all over the place. After we got done leaving the shop and just cruised for a little bit, we went to the store, grabbed some steaks and stuff, threw them on a grill, ate, and then just relaxed. So, whatever. It kind of is what it is, but it was fun. Today was dope. I have a lot of stuff coming up for the WRX, so definitely stay tuned on that. The coupe, I'm sorry I haven't posted nothing with that. I will definitely do that. There will be definitely some vlogs and stuff with that car. That's probably the #1 ask car. There's like, yo, bro, why ain't you posting nothing with this yet? Well, I just haven't. I don't know why. So, either way, I appreciate everybody tuning into this video. I got a lot more stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Appreciate it. Love you guys.